Alright guys, so I always get a lot of DMs in my Instagram always asking how can I keep my makeup on, the longevity, concealer, primers, or what do I use to stay matte all day guys, but still keep it full coverage. So that's what we're gonna do today guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I achieve a very matte, full coverage, bulletproof foundation routine and concealer and highlight, contour, all of the jazz, just so that way it can stay on the face, last long, look beautiful, as well as stay matte. Because a lot of you guys have been asking me what kind of skin type I have, and I do have combination skin. I am more to the oily side guys, especially right now. I am very oily, so that's why if you ever see me guys on camera, the only place I ever really get pimples guys is going to be my forehead, because that is where I am super oily guys. So my forehead, that's why I have a little bit of blemishes and a little bit of texture on there. I never really get pimples here or anywhere else really guys. It's always on my forehead, always, and that's just because I do sweat a lot. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I achieve my full coverage matte bulletproof foundation routine. So first of all, what we got to do is really step up our moisturizer as well as our primer guys. In this video I am going to be using 1 moisturizer, 2 primers, because this is what I feel has made my routine a game changer guys. Like, the first thing that I'm gonna go in with guys is gonna be my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich. This is really hydrating guys, and I know that I'm oily, but with my routine that I do, it works for my skin. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin first, because you guys, if you guys do not have a really nice skincare kind of routine, and all honestly, priming has to do with skincare also, because you guys, in order to have a really nice flawless face, in order to have like a really flawless and full coverage and non-cakey, and also if you want like something really that's gonna look good on the skin guys, it starts with skincare. If you don't have a really good skincare regimen, honestly guys, then your makeup is just gonna look cakey, gonna look really weird guys. And so that's why I want to show you guys. So first I go in with the moisturizer. I really go ahead and push that into the skin because I want it to really hydrate the skin, and I don't want to make my face look older than I'm not old, but I feel like I'm old. I don't want it to look older guys. Then what I go ahead and do guys, I go in with my Tatcha the Silk Canvas, which is this one right here. Looks like this, you guys. So what I do is I actually grab a little bit out just like that, and I'll go ahead and put that everywhere where I really get oily, as well as I want to fill in those pores guys. I really focus it right here though, you guys. You guys can already see my pores a little bit coming through the primer, but this is a magic. This is magic in a package. So then you guys, what you guys want to do is I go ahead and go with my fingers. I'll go ahead and push it up, and I actually kind of go against my pores, so I feel like my pores are coming downwards. So what I do is I really sweep it up and down and side and the other side, just to be on the safe side guys. And my face looks really good and feels really good and plump. I go on my nose as well, because you guys, I'm a dude, so I do get a lot of pores, you guys, like a lot. Then my last step is to go in with my Dr. Brandt Pores No More. This, you guys, primer slash smoothing is a miracle. I love this so much, you guys. And I never used to believe in skincare until I started working at Sephora for a little while, guys. But it's very important, guys. Otherwise, your skin is not gonna look flawless. As you guys can see already, look, like my pores look so much smaller than what they really are, what it's really showing right now. And I really use like a dime size. So then what we're gonna do, guys, I've only been using this foundation for like a week now, I would say, guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe foundation. I really love this, guys. It's super matte, like really good. I didn't find any issues with this foundation at all. I'm in the shade F3.20. So this is the shade, it's an olive undertone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the brush just like that, guys. And then what I do is I dot it around. So I'll go ahead and go like this. And then what I do is I push it into the skin. And this is the Morphe X Jeffrey brush in JS1. You guys, like, I really love how this brush really pushes it into the skin. I'll go ahead and put a little bit into the beard, not really that much, but you guys, I love this brush for the foundation. And I still go in with a beauty sponge afterwards, just to really like push it in a little bit more. But I love how much coverage I get with this brush. I do need a little bit more foundation on the brush. Let me see. Go ahead and pop some on the back of my hand. So this is probably like 2 pumps of the foundation, you guys. And so I'm gonna go up here. And I just really want to go over the ear just a little bit, maybe a little bit down here. Just like that, guys. And that is like a full coverage, full slay beat foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Morphe concealer. You guys, it's really matte and it works really good. If you guys do have you know, dry skin, I don't recommend this unless you're going to really prep your skin with a lot of hydration before. Then maybe you might get away with it, and especially I would recommend the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist if you're dry. I would suggest to get that as well. That's really good. But what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to go in with the shade C2.35. I'm going to go ahead and use this to conceal, guys, and then I'll go in with a different shade of a different concealer just to brighten. But first, let's go ahead and just use this to really conceal, guys, like hello. So I let this sit for like about 1 minute, and I'm gonna go in and really blend out, guys. And you guys, if you guys do not want to go in with like a lot of coverage, like how I am, no worries, you guys. You guys do not have to do it like how I'm doing it. You guys can follow the steps with your normal routine. Just know that the coverage will be just different. And then you guys, I like to go in with a brush for the forehead and really just push this outwards. What we're gonna do is now we are gonna be going in with a little bit of a contour color. I like to use a chestnut color from the Too Faced Born This Way, which looks really beautiful, guys. I love this color for me. What I do is I put a little bit up here on the temples. That's what I like to do, guys. One in the middle. I go down right here, just one little line, and another little line right here. And a little bit down the bridge of the nose, just like that. So just like that. And then what I do is I actually will go in with a small little brush, just like this. This one is a really cool little brush. I love it. This is the Makeup Shack brush. It doesn't have mine doesn't have a number on it, but I really like to go ahead and just start to push it upwards, guys. Really to go in circular motions, but I really just push this up. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. And you guys just see it adds like a really, really nice color and a little bit of definition to the outer contours, you guys. I'm really just pushing it up, you guys, and then going across here. Then just going over with my sponge just a little bit, guys. Just like that. You guys, it looks really good already. And then, so what I'm going to do for last step for concealer, I go in with my Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. You guys, this shade is everything. What I'm going to do is I'm really going to just focus this shade right there. Just right there, and that's it. Just one little dot, just to brighten a little bit. And I'm going to get my powder ready, guys. What, babe? So I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, guys. You guys already know. Ooh. Go ahead and grab my sponge again. Really tap into it. Go down. And really just go ahead and go across. You guys see what that did? Do you guys see how much life that just made my eye have? And that was just a dot of the concealer, guys. Like, whoa. Wow. It looks super, super duper good. I'll go ahead and blend out, guys, and then I'm going to use this edge to go ahead and bake. But first, I'm going to go ahead and blend all of these creases out. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and go alongside the nose as well, guys. What I go ahead and do is I go ahead and bake right underneath that contour. Just like that, guys. I know it looks crazy, I know. While this is baking, guys, what I like to go ahead and do is I like to go ahead and grab my Laura Mercier powder puff. And you guys, we are gonna be doing Patrick Star. Yes, we are. Oh, yes. we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and sweep all of this off now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, turn my hair a little white, whatever. We're gonna go in with the bronzer from Wet n Wild, the bronzer, What Shady Beaches. It's this one right here, guys. It's super pretty. I'm gonna go in with my MAC 135 brush. Really go in here, guys, and go ahead and start bronzing up the face. You guys, I really have been liking this bronzer lately. And then we will go in maybe and cut the cheek just one more time. I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and this one is in the shade Goddess. Wow, liquid glow, you guys, right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna grab the Jeffree brush right here and really pat it in. Oh yeah, will you guys see that glow? You guys, and you guys saw how much I use. I use very little to no product. Really simple on the lips, taking buxom Clair lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lips. Ooh, yes. So this is my full coverage, guys, foundation routine when I really want something that's gonna last and really stay. You guys need a powder puff. You guys need a powder puff. It will make such a difference, guys, in your makeup game, no lie. Just a little bit more, let me cut it just a tad bit more. But you guys, I'm telling you guys need a powder puff in your life. Like, a powder puff is going to make such a difference, guys. Look how smooth my skin looks, guys. And look how beautiful and matte I really look. Especially under the eyes. Like, I really love how my under eyes look. It looks super pretty, super flawless and smooth, guys. But if you guys love this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel already, what the hell are you guys doing? Subscribe. It'll be right here, right up here. You guys need to subscribe. What are you guys doing? Anyway, I really want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, and to all my subscribers, thank you guys for always watching my videos as well. I'm trying to grow my channel this year. I have taken a lot of time off of YouTube just because of my personal life, a lot of things going on with my personal life, and I'm back, I'm ready, and I'm here. So if you guys do want to see any other makeup looks or any other videos, please leave all your suggestions down below. Also, I'm going to start vlogging with my family, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. Let me know. But I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching.